Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Raquel Namola here, and I'm so tired and hungry. I'm just knocking off right now. We are approaching the end of the academic year. Like tomorrow is the last day of school for the learner. The 15th of December is the last day of learners, and we were preparing the report card. I mean, you check if there is a mistake. If there is no mistake, then you sign the report, and then you give them to the principal to sign. It's a long process, and this is what takes so much of our time. And so we are just knocking off now. It's about 4 o'clock, and when I saw the result for my class, I was so happy. Like, these kids were really fighting, you understand? And so I decided to give something to the top 3, and I'm going to buy just small gift to appreciate it. And I really want to appreciate the fact that these kids try their level best, and I want to motivate them so that they can do better even in their next grade, even though they are both girls. I mean, it's good. I'm so excited that the women are doing the most, in this town where I am now. It's a small town, you understand? The only shop where you can get gift is just Pep store. Okay guys, this is what I bought for both of them. I bought 3 envelopes. These two are for the the second and the third position, and this one is for the first position. The purple one is for the first position. I feel like the first position is special, just like the pageant show. Look at that. There's a dictionary. It went for 44 Namibian dollar. This is a small dictionary. English is a problem when it comes to the village. I grew up in the village. I was schooled in the village, and I know how it feels. Like, I never had a dictionary in my life, and that's why I bought this like small Export dictionary. It's a school dictionary, mini school dictionary. This is something that you can carry anytime, anywhere. It's very easy to carry, and yeah. And then this envelope, this is the envelope where you can carry your document. Like going to a secondary school, because they are going to secondary school, you need to have something where you carry your document, because now, I mean, you are grown up and you have to take care of yourself. And this is for the first one. The second one, the first one has to get something special than the others, so I'm now looking forward getting them something to eat, at that time, the sweets and the, so that the package can be complete. Okay, I'm so excited to do this, and I can't wait to see their reactions. Yeah. Ipila ini enggak? Ipila ini enggak? £35. Maybe this go for $15. still one baby. Only one person who fell. Only one person. So all of you, if your report is not here, if your report is not here, please, you have the outstandings. And so the first position, Elizabeth. Wow.